because it's like a little bit wavy and I want it to be like sleek straight. Literally this looks so bad, but I just need it to look like, it looks okay, but I can really tell that it's just fake as hell. But like I don't have time to completely wash the whole hair because I have a little bit of like buildup on the frontal of gel, but it's whatever. To shade my hair, this hair is by Longqi hair. It's their Brazilian straight. The hair itself is really nice. I do prefer like fuller hair, like if you're into like it's not super thin or anything. I use 3 bundles, but I do like my hair to be a bit fuller, which is why I usually go for body wave and then I straighten it, because when you straighten this, like it gets quite just not thin but also not really full, but it's kind of what you prefer. But I do really like the hair and I definitely recommend it. Just straightening it, it straightens really easily. Like it's Brazilian straight, so like it's supposed to be straight, but I definitely noticed with like Brazilian straight hair or like straight hair in general that it like gets wavy faster. Like it gets quite wavy from like sleeping on it, because I didn't take it off at night, but it's not that big of a deal. The hair itself is like really soft and nice. Yeah, I'm going to a Billie Eilish concert. I think that's how you pronounce your last name, Eilish. I'm excited. I love her music. I don't really go out very often, especially lately, just because I've had quite some anxiety, but I'm excited to kind of get out the house. I'm gonna see Luca again. If you guys don't know him, he's like my best friend, but he lives like two and a half hours away from me, so we don't see each other very often. I'm also going to show you my outfit actually. I'm probably just going to record it on my phone and then put the clip in, because I don't have time to like set up my camera. I will be doing like an updated video on like when I'm moving, where I'm moving, all of that. I also got meet and greet, by the way, so we get in early because it wasn't too expensive, so I was like, why not? And she seems like a really dope girl, so I definitely wanted to meet her. And we get in early, which is like perfect. Also because it's cold outside and you don't have to stand in the long like what's it called, not row, line, in a long line. You get in early, you have the meet and greet. I'm pretty sure you can already just go to your spot and then the doors open for everyone else. As I said, I don't go out very often. I'm mostly at home, so it's just nice to go out and have like a distraction. I'm so sad that this hair isn't as blue as I want it to be. Like if I stand in like the sunlight, I can kind of see that it's blue. I want it to be more vibrant, but I should have just like bleached it, but I didn't really feel like bleaching the hair, because bleaching, oh, it takes so long. But I know that next time, if I'm gonna make a wig that's like a brighter color or like colorful in general, I'm probably gonna bleach it first, or at least do like highlights on the hair before I put any color on it. I'm excited. My makeup isn't gonna be like anything special today, just saying. It's gonna be kind of repetitive of probably like my everyday makeup routine, because I don't really know what I want to do with it. I don't really want to wear too much craziness, like I'm just going to a concert. But I do want to look very glowy and flawless. Don't know if I want to wear falsies yet, because I'm going to be out for quite a while and I feel like they're just going to bother me. I really miss my lash extensions. I'm going to get them again like before I go to LA in April. If you didn't know, I'm going to go to LA in April for 2 weeks. So I'm going to get them done probably so I don't have to like bring any lashes and I don't have to worry about my lashes. And I also don't have to feel like I want to put on makeup every day. You might be able to hear my washing machine. I'm sorry if you can. Just using my NYX Angel Veil primer. It's my favorite, and as I said, I'm gonna be gone for a while. So the only thing I hate is like for some reason like it just comes out really liquidy. Like the first, do I have to like mix it all? I am. You definitely have to shake this well before you use it. Yeah, no, I'm gonna be gone for a while, so I'm like gonna put on like my most long lasting makeup ever, because I won't be home till like late at night. Oh my god, my frontal looks so bad. Like it's actually embarrassing. So for foundation, no wait, actually I need to, I forgot something. I'm gonna set my primer with the RCMA no color powder. People always ask me why I do this, and it's just so I stay matte for longer. Like this like pretty much bakes my primer. I only put it like where I get oily, which is on my nose and a little bit around it. And by doing this, like it just, I feel like it also just helps create like a smooth surface, but it also really helps keep me matte for longer. And it looks crazy, like this looks really weird, but it really works. And usually I do this while look at that, while I do my brows, but I don't have time. I already did my brows. So for foundation, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way. I don't know, this might be a little bit too light for me now because I went and got a tan, but I know that this will work, so I'm just gonna try it out. Might be a little bit light, but I think I'll get away with it. It's funny because every time I watched a review on this foundation, people were like, oh no, it's not for like oily skin, like don't get it if your skin is oily, like, but I actually really enjoy it. Should I zoom in a little bit? I don't know if I'm gonna blend it with a sponge. I think I'm gonna blend it with a brush because I do want some extra coverage. My skin has been so clear. I just have quite a lot of like scarring. You can't really see with my camera because it smooths my skin, but it's literally a tad bit light, but I can get away with it. I'm just gonna put some extra bronzer on, as if I don't already do that. I think I'm gonna mix these two, the NYX HD and the Revolution Conceal and Define. This is like my holy grail foundation concealer. I wear the color Fresh Beige and that concealer is so good. This one I also quite like. It's definitely more pink than what I'm used to, but it's not bad at all. And I'm pretty picky when it comes to concealers, but that one is pretty good. I'm gonna blend out with my Ratchet Beauty Sponge. Literally falling apart. I need to get a new one, but yeah. I'm of course gonna set it with my NYX HD powder in Banana. That's like the only thing I use underneath my eyes. Contour my nose. Usually I skip a lot of this because it takes a while to fix this shit. If you guys want, I can do a video on how I contour my nose if you want to see that. I'm just gonna put on my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil Bronzer because I know what works and I know what looks good. It smells so good. I'm not planning on putting on eyeshadow. I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and put this on my eyes a little bit, even though they're already dark as hell. My frontal is really irritating me. You can't see on camera, but it looks so bad. Highlighter. What am I gonna wear? Literally this palette, the Curly Rebel one. I don't really use the shadows very often. If you're looking for like good highlighters, just get it for the highlighters. I know there's like a second palette as well. I think the highlighters are bigger and there's more. But these highlighters are so bomb. I'm just gonna put it on my nose first. Yeah, I love them and they're so creamy and so like, oh, just perfect. They're so nice. Do you see that? I don't even have to like wet my brush to put these on because they already look really good. My forehead, I love putting highlighter on my forehead because my forehead doesn't get oily. So I can totally get away with just putting hella highlighter on it. I'm using basically the 3 darkest shades. Like I'm not using the really light pink one. I never use that. I use the other two and kind of mix them and just throw them on my chin skulls. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray to kind of set it like all. Literally a tiny bit because this can get crazy. So I don't really think I'm gonna do anything with my eyes. I'm just gonna use the highlighter to put on my inner corner a little bit. I do want to put on blush. I'm gonna be putting on, I need to literally clean my brushes, they're so disgusting. This is an Essence matte blush in Bury Me Up. And of course faux beauty spots that I do. I don't know why I use this thing. I think it's like used for nails to like push back your cuticles, but this little pointy thing is perfect. And I used this LA Pro Concealer in Mahogany. Dip it in there And I start with one over here. I press it in. I do one over here and I press it. Oh shit. Almost smashed a bit, but it's okay. Just gonna be a bit bigger. And I put one on my lip right there. Press it in. And I do like 3 tiny ones here. Because I do have 3 spots here, but they obviously get covered up by my foundation. Same goes for one right here somewhere. And these are the ones that I do. I just think it looks really cute. So. Okay, I'm gonna put a mascara. I've been loving the Too Faced Bitter Than Sex. I have a little like mini. I'm definitely gonna get the full size because it's really good. And also this Essence Volume Stylist. I don't know. I had lash extensions, so I didn't really buy many mascaras. Like I just needed a cheap one for my bottom lashes. But now that I don't have them anymore, I've just been using this and the Better Than Sex. And they're pretty good. Try and separate them. Yeah, those lashes look really bad. Whatever. Okay, so that's pretty much done. Now I'm gonna put on a lip gloss. I'm debating between these two. This is my ultimate favorite. Like usually when I'm wearing a lip gloss, it's this one. It's the NYX Praline Butter Gloss, or I'm wearing the Essence lip gloss and Dress Up Our Lips number 10. This one is like almost out. Just throw on this. This one tastes really good. I'm gonna show you my outfit and then that's pretty much that. I'm leaving in about 30 minutes, but this is my outfit. I'm wearing my Fila Disruptors 2, I think it's called. In the pink. Pretty much my whole outfit is from Pull & Bear besides this bag. This is from Nasty Gal. This belt is also from Pull & Bear. It literally looks like a Gucci belt, you guys. And it was like $8. This top is also from Pull & Bear. These pants as well. And yeah, I'm digging it. I don't know for sure if I want to wear these shoes with it though. I'm gonna try on my Adidas Stan Smiths and see how I like them. But yeah. That's the fit. I feel like I should wear my Stan Smiths and just have it be like a black and white outfit and get it over with. But these shoes are so cute. I don't know yet. I actually changed my mind and I'm just gonna wear these because I feel like they just go better. But yeah. That's it. And they're more comfortable because I'm still, like I still need to kind of, the shoes, they're new and they still kind of hurt my feet, so yeah.